Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change DPS of your mouse on Windows. Firstly, open Settings. Just click on the Start menu and select Settings, which is the gear icon. Go to Devices, then click on Mouse in the left side panel. Select Additional Mouse Options on the right, and in the Mouse Properties window, go to the Pointer Options tab. Under Motion, adjust the slider for select a pointer speed. Move the slider left to a lower DPI and move the slider right to increase DPI, which is a faster cursor. And when you're done, just click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Just know that lower DPI is better for accuracy-intensive tasks like graphic design, while higher DPI works for fast-paced gaming. Would you like tips for advanced DPI adjustments or third-party MUST software? If you do, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.